Hello student, how are you all? Fine. Okay, very good. So today we have the next topic, that is the polygon law of vector addition. And before it, related in your vector chapters, we have completed triangle law of vector addition and parallelogram law of vector additions. Okay, what is the formula of triangle law of vector additions? You know that for the resultant r is equal to root under, what is the formula? Root under p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Yes, and another we have tan beta is equal to, what is the value? Q sin theta divided by p plus cos, okay, cos theta. Okay, we have completed this formula. I think that all you have practiced these questions. Very good. And now we have the next question, that is the polygon law of vector addition. Okay student, but before starting this, those who have not subscribed, please subscribe these channels. Okay, and after watching your video, please share, like this video, and don't forget to press the bell button, because whenever I will upload the new video, you will get the notification. Okay student, okay, thank you, and those who have subscribed, thank you to all. Okay, now come to the points. We have the new topic, that is a polygon law of vector additions. Polygons, already I have written here their statements, you can see their definitions. Okay, so polygon law of vector addition means it states that if a number of vectors can be represented in magnitude and directions. Magnitude, you know, suppose that we have a vectors and this length is called magnitude and this is the directions. Can you see? Okay, very good. So you know, if the vectors represented by their magnitude and directions by the sides of polygons taken in the same order, then their resultant is represented magnitude and direction by the closing side of the polygon taken in the opposite order. It means, suppose that you have many vectors and that having represented by their magnitude and directions, you can add that ones by head tail methods, and the closing side, that will be the resultants, and all the sum of these vectors will equivalent to that. Just like suppose that we have one vectors, this is the vector, what is v, you can say this is the vectors a. Okay, very good. Another, suppose that this vector, that is the b. Okay, suppose that another you have vector c, another you have vectors like that vector d. Okay, these are the vectors and all having the magnitude, and this is the direction, this is the directions. Now you can add this one, so you will write here, suppose according to that this is the vectors. Okay, vectors, and now here is another vectors, and this is the third ones. Okay, like that, and another, this is the vectors. Okay, so you can give, this is the vector a, this is the vector b, vector c, vector d. Okay, now you can join this one. If you will join this, two vectors, so this will be resultants, and this will be the sum of vector a plus b. Yes, vector a plus vector b. Okay, and you know that the resultant, it means the sum of the two vectors. So vector a plus b is this one, that is called the resultant. If you will see, this is the triangle. Another one more is there, you can take, you can also join here if you will join. So here will be vector a plus b plus c. Very good. Vector b plus vector c. Can you write? Okay, and another you have one more times, you can add here, see that. So this will be vector a plus vector b plus vector c plus vector d. This is the vectors. Okay, and this will equal to the resultant. This will equal to the resultant. Very good. Now you can put, suppose that O, this is the K, L, M and N. Now student, you see that it is like as a triangles. So you can take the triangles. If you will see the triangles, and this you can prove by using one by one triangle. Just like see that, suppose that from triangle OKL, okay, from triangles OKL, what you will see, vector A and vector B represents, vector A and vector B represents magnitude and direction of OK, vector OK and KL. Can you write? Okay, very good. If you will write this one, and then you take, so from triangle, by using triangle law of addition of vector. Okay, so what you will write, by using triangle law of addition of vectors, you will write OK plus KL. Okay, OK plus KL equal to, what you will write here, you will write OL. Can you write? Okay, very good. And just like another, you can also take students also from triangles, also or similarly you can take similarly from triangle. Which one you will take? You will take OLM. If you will take OLM, then you will write here OL, that is the OL, vector OL plus this is the LM equal to, what you will write, OM. Very good, OM. Can we write? But you have already OL. What is the value of OL? This value you can put here, or you can write here at the place of OL, you will write OK plus KL plus this will be LM equal to OM. Very good. So you have used two triangle this one and this one. This is the one, and second triangles you have used. One more triangle you have, student, okay, and this is the triangles OMN. Also from triangle OMN, what you will write? You will write OM vector OM plus MN, yes, equal to vector ON. Can you write here? And just you have the value of OM, already you got this value you can substitute here. So or therefore, or you can write here OK, vector OK plus vector KL plus vector LM plus this will be vector MN equal to vector ON. Can you write? Okay. Now see your all triangles or the diagrams. What is the value of OK? Vector A. So you can write here vector A plus, what is the value of KL? Vector B plus LM. You can see vector C, and here is vector D is equal to, this will be ON, or ON is equal to, this is the resultant. This will be the resultant. And also you can write vector R is equal to vector A plus vector B plus vector C plus vector D. Okay, students, so we got the sum of all the vectors, okay, that is equal to the resultant or the closing side. Okay, student, so just like we can add all the vectors, we can find out their resultants. Okay, and you know that already we have practiced some questions related your previous topic, but related your resultant and directions, we will also solve some formula. How you will solve? Suppose that, okay, I think that you should capture this one. Can you take, okay, or you can write this one, students, because this type of questions, okay, you will use, this is the basic property. I think that all you have written, and shall it erase? Okay, student, and till now those who have not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, Very good. I told that whenever we will complete the topic, then we will also start the numericals problem. Okay, so suppose that we can assume related your formula we can solve. Suppose that the two forces acting on the object. What will be the suppose questions? Two forces 10 Newton and 6 Newton acting on a object, on an object perpendicular to each other okay, perpendicular to each other. Calculate the force or resultant force experience by them. What will be the resultant force? Okay, it means suppose that two forces are acting on the object. There is the object, okay, which lie, and one force is suppose that here and another force is acting. Suppose that one is the 10 Newton, this is the 6 Newton. So what will be the resultant that you have to calculate? And here is given what is the angle between them. Perpendicular means 90 degree. It means P is equal to, you will take the 10 Newton, Q is equal to, you will take 6 Newton, and theta you will take 90 degree. Okay, so you have to calculate R is equal to question mark, and you have formula. What is the formula? Since you can write here R is equal to root under P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Can you write? Very good. And also you will put this value. So put here, then here will be 10 square plus 6 square plus what you will write here, 2 into 10 into 6, and then cos 90 degree. Very good. So R is equal to what you will write here? You will write 10, that is the 100 plus 36 plus multiply this one 12 120 and into 90 cos 90. What will be the cos 90? 0. Very good. Here will be 0 since theta is equal to 90 degree and cos 90 is equal to 0 because cos 0 1 that. Okay, so you will solve this one, then you will write 100 and this will be 136 plus, and this will be the 0. What will be 0? So here will be what? 136. R is equal to 136. Okay, or you can find out there's what will be the their square root you can find out. If you will find out the square roots, so what will be the square roots? 10 10s are 100, 12 if you will take 144, no? So 11 point approx here will be in round of R is equal to 11 point something. What you will take? 11.23 whatever you will take. Suppose that 2 approx. Okay, approx. This will be in Newton. This will be in Newton. Okay, students. So such type question you can practice, and also you can find out. Suppose that you want to find the directions. Then how you will find out? Also you can find out, since we have tan beta is equal to q sin theta plus p plus q cos theta. Okay, so q, that means what? Q the value 6 and then sin 90 degree. Okay, and here will be p means 10 plus sin at the place of cos here will be, no? Okay, very good. So cos 90 degree. Then you will write 6 into sin 90 1. Very good. 10 plus cos 90 0. So you will write 6 by 10. What will be? 6.6 by 10. It means 0.6. Okay, this is the tan beta. This value you got, no? Or you can write beta is equal to, you can write in the inverse also, you can write okay, or you can also convert in the angles. Okay, student. So such type of questions we will practice more questions related your formula, how we can prove and how we can solve out. We will try to. Okay, students. Thank you for this. Okay.